Hello boaters, this is David with David Yacht Service in Southern California. We're looking at a beautiful, fully rebuilt Palmer M60 engine that came to me from a special client across the country in Maine. This engine had gotten some water into the oil, and he was wanting to get that cleaned out and get it fully rebuilt. We've accomplished that for him, and the engine now both looks beautiful and runs very, very nicely. Here she is. She's running now, and as you can see on the front, she has a little hand cranking tool to assist. I guess you could try to start her by hand. You can turn the flywheel by hand, and as you can hear, she runs really beautifully. There's no muffler on her, no water muffler or anything, but I do have just a short piece of exhaust pipe on her, and very, very smooth. To put my hand in here, it's just perfectly smooth exhaust coming out, and you can see the drive shaft is idling there, and it's in neutral right now. We also have her set up. They have a return water to warm up the engine, and that helps certainly in Maine, but I've got that disconnected at the moment, and we're running the water out on the driveway. David Yacht Service is one of the only companies in the country that can supply you with virtually anything you need for your Palmer 60. So keep us in mind. This is what we can do. We'll be arranging to have this one shipped out probably here this next week, and he'll get it back in time to start his sailing season. Thank you for watching.